Another way to customize your interface is to use what are called workspaces. Now, workspaces exist in the top right-hand corner of the interface. So we have this little workspace pull down. And right now we're using what's called the Maya Classic workspace. And that's really what we have here. Now, if we want, we can change this to any number of standard layouts here. So, for example, we have modeling standard. And what that does is it gets rid of all the extraneous animation tools, such as the time slider and the range slider, and it gives you a little bit more space to work. Now, if you're really good with hotkeys, you can go to Modeling Expert, which takes away almost all the menus and allows you a big space to work in. We also have a number of other ones. We have one for, say, motion graphics, which brings up motion graphics tools. We have another one for rendering, which brings up all of the rendering tools. Now I'm going to go back to Maya Classic here. Now, if we change the interface, let's go back into Windows, Settings, Preferences, and let's go over to UI Elements, and let's say turn off the time slider and the range slider, as well as maybe the status line to give ourselves some more space here. And if we do that, we can actually save that out as our own custom workspace. Now, you'll notice here that Maya Classic now has a little asterisk next to it, and that means something has changed. Now, if we want, we could go into Save Current Workspace As, and we can give it a name. So let's just call it Custom 01 and hit OK. And when we do, we're now in the Custom 01 interface, and that actually shows up on the menu. So I would go back to Maya Classic, there it is, and I can go now to Custom 01, which is my own custom interface. So as you can see, you can very quickly switch between different types of workspaces and menu settings in Maya. And this is just one more productivity enhancement for the program.